Unblocked from the Instagram live. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get unblocked from the Instagram live. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go to the Instagram, make sure you long press there, tap on the very eye icon, scroll down and tap on the storage option. Clear all the data and all the cache from there, and then you can go and open your Instagram now. Make sure you re-log into your account because you have cleared all the data and cache. After you open it, tap on the very three vertical lines, so scroll a little bit down where you will see the very option of report a problem. So just go to the privacy center and then you can simply go to the report center as well, where you can simply report your problems there. So after you report the problem, make sure you just write what your problem is, and after you write what your problem is and then tap on this very hit button, Instagram will send you a feedback after a few days and your problem should be solved by then. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below.